Today is the Bases Loaded Lacquer Fan Friday video, and the theme is Earth Day. The polishes I'm using today are Shutout and Fab 5 Freddy. That was the April 2020 Rookie of the Month. So let's get started. First, I'm going to make my decals, and I'm going to use my Maxis base coat to do this. I'm going to make several of them in case I mess up, and my nails are pretty small, so I don't need like I don't need this whole space filled in. I'll try to remember to link my video where I've tried different base coats to create decals. I think the trick is actually to use a base coat. So I'm just gonna put these on here and I'm gonna let them dry probably for about 10 minutes. And I like to make these decals because it's really hard to paint with your non-dominant hand, and get your design on the other hand. So I really like this, and I don't know why I haven't thought of this sooner. But anyways, I'm just gonna let that dry and come back. Next, I'm gonna take my Bases Loaded Lacquer Shutout, and I'm gonna use this little palette thing here. I'm just gonna put a couple drops of it here. And then I'm going to use my fine detail brush. I love this brush. All right, the idea is to make kind of a viney, leafy pattern. Alright, that one looks pretty good. That one not so much. There, I like that one. So this is the one we're going with. Now that I have a few good ones, I'm just going to go under here with a wooden cuticle stick. What that does is just releases it from the mat, and the wooden cuticle stick won't, make marks on my mat. Then I'm going to take one of my ice cube stampers and just pick up each image. That way it'll be really easy to set these on my nails where I want them. So I have these all ready now. First, I'll be applying a base coat to all of my nails. Now I'm going to paint all of my nails this color, and I'm going to, I think, do 2 coats. Doesn't look like it's needing 2 coats. Wait. Yeah, I think it'll be borderline, but I'm going to put 2 coats on. Now I'm just going to try to put these on my nails. Oh. Okay, that's not working. I'll just put some of my Maniology sticky base coat over the tops of my nails, and hopefully that will grip it. I'm just going to wait a couple of minutes for this to dry to the tacky finish. Okay, let's try this now. No, that didn't work. Still tacky. Oh, great. Okay, well, I think maybe this stuff dried on there too long. It's been on here all day. Yeah, let's see if I can just fix this. There. That will work. I'm just using my corrector pen dipped in acetone, or actually just polish remover. I use the Zoya polish remover, so that's what it's dipped in. I'm just going around the edges here. One down, one to go. And I just laid that on there. If you put the sticky base coat on there and you try to move it, it's not going to come up. This one got messed up a little bit, so I'm going to try to fix it. I think that will work. Now I'm going to use my smudge-free top coat and hope that this is not going to smudge it. Alright, that looks pretty good. Since I just did the touch-up, I'm going to wait for that to dry a bit. I hope it's ready now for the smudge-free top coat. Looks like it. So that's good. Not a total fail here today. Now that the other top coat is dry, I can go over everything with my Maxis Finito. Long-lasting top coat. Seal it all in. Also smooths it out a bit better too, I think. This is the finished mani for the Bases Loaded Lacquer Fan Friday Earth Day Challenge. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.